Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kiki. Welcome. Today I will be showing you guys this new method that I tried on doing a flip over quick weave. You know, quick weave flip method. Yes, that's what we're going to be doing today, and we're using deep wave bundles. I will have everything in the description box below. I will show you on the screen everything that I am using. If you would like to see how I got this beautiful flipped over method, continue watching. But if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel. You already know, like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let's get a quick weave off. I want to show you. If you take your quick weave off, there's no reason why you should lose hair. All right, so what I do is I run my head under the water for like 5 minutes. But first, remember, I had the closure, so I had to melt that Ghost Bond off, so I used alcohol for that, you know. And then I ran my head under the water for 5 minutes. I let my stuff start lifting on its own. I don't pull, none of that. I let it run, and then I start start lifting it up. Let me show you. Now you see this? You see none of my hair on this. So if you take the closure out the right way, all the tracks is still on there. You shouldn't lose any hair. I lost no hair. No hair. You can even go on my TikTok, because you'll thoroughly see, like, when I combed it out, how I did my deep conditioner and all of that. Hardly any hair, like a drop of hair came out. It's not even here. I threw it in the garbage. Then I blow dried my hair. Now I'm doing getting my braids ready so I can do my bundles. So I'm doing bare minimum leave out, going around. I'm going to put my hair in medium sized braids. I'm not doing small braids because I'm doing deep wave hair. We're using deep wave hair. I will leave the link below on the hair that I am using. Again, stocking cap. I'm going to do double that. I'm doing 16. No, lied. I'm probably gonna do, if I don't have to use the 16, I'm not. I'm just gonna do 18-inch and 20. This is deep wave hair. You're gonna see when I do it, I'm gonna be doing it in like a U. You want to get them close together, so when you do the flip over, it's seamless. No one can see your tracks. I found a new way to do it. Once I get to the front, instead of going like this, you're going to see me do them sideways. So keep watching this video if you would like to see how I'm about to do this seamless, quick weave flip over method with my curly hair. And this will not be an epic fail. Alright, so yeah, let's get into the video.
spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true, and I'm digging you. Make me believe that your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love, it goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything, 'cause your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, just on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my all summer. watching, I be on my 4, 5 summers, 4, 5 summers, 4, 5 summers, 4, 5 summers. We took both, we took both, we took both, we took both. Born in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got standards, excuse my manners, I got standards, I got status, you want status, see more